In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist, both if you are a YouTuber or you just want to create a playlist for your own viewing pleasure. We're going to use my fitness channel as an example. As you can see here, I created this brand new playlist literally 3 minutes ago called Beginner Workouts at Home. You can do anywhere. There are 2 ways that you can create playlists. I'm also going to show you how to do it on mobile phone. What I like to do is make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel that you want to create a playlist. You're going to go ahead and click Customize Channel. Over here on the left-hand side, the third one down, you can see the word Playlist. Go ahead and click that. Then you can see here on the top right, it says New Playlist. Go ahead and click this. This is the best, fastest way to do it. This is where you are going to title your playlist. So for this example, I'm just going to call it Test. You can also choose the drop-down whether you want it private or unlisted. Make sure when you title your playlist, you make it rich with keywords you want to rank for, because playlists can't show up in YouTube search to keep your channel growing faster, like binge-worthy content. Hit that create button. You may need to refresh your screen, but I'm also going to show you how to add other people's videos to your playlist. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh the screen right here, and then we will see that test playlist pop up right here. Go ahead and click on this, and this is where you can edit it. One thing I want to point out right here is if you ever wanted to change the name of this playlist, you just go ahead and click this pencil. Also, if you want to add a description to your playlist, you can do that. What I want to show you right here is the share option. Go ahead and click this. All right, you see this big gobbledygook right here. You don't want to put this sort of link in the description box of your YouTube videos. I'm going to show you a way to make that look much nicer and more professional here. Go ahead and hit copy right there. And then I like to create a notepad. You can see I have all these Amazon links right here. I'll go ahead and put that link right in here. And then we're going to go to a service called Bitly. This is a free service where you can make those links look much nicer. And then you can see here on the top of Bitly, there is a create option. You're going to go ahead and stick that in there. You're going to enter that link that I just showed you, and here's where you can change the back end of this. If you want a more detailed video on Bitly, let me know in that comments box below and I will do that. You can see here in the description box of my Elite Fit Fitness YouTube channel that I have all of these nice links right here rather than a bunch of craziness. There are 2 ways that you can add videos to a playlist. Go over here to the left-hand side and click Content, and you can see all of your videos right here. If you just hover over one of them, this pops up, Add to Playlists, and then you can go ahead and add it to any playlist that you want to. You can also add videos to playlists upon your uploading. I can link a video in the description box below about how to upload videos to YouTube doing that. There is another way that you can add videos to a playlist and add other people's videos to your playlist. If you hover over any video, you're going to see these 3 dots on the right-hand side. If you click on them, you can add to queue, you can save to a playlist. We're going to click that one, and here is where you can add lots of videos to a playlist, or you can create a brand new playlist where you would put your playlist name here, and then you can change the privacy of that playlist. If you want to delete a playlist, just go ahead and click on this pencil button right here. And then if you click these 3 dots again, this is where you can delete that playlist. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. What if you want to change the order of the thumbnails and the picture of your thumbnail playlist? You can see this thumbnail is this one right here, but what if I wanted to change this? I'm going to go ahead and refresh that screen, and you will see the test one is gone, all gone. Go ahead and click the pencil icon right here, and here's where you can edit everything within your playlist. You can move these around by clicking these little 2 sidebars and see which one that you want next. You can click the sort by option to do date added, most popular, date published. Possibilities are endless. Here we are on phone or mobile device. Make sure that you go into your YouTube application. Mine is right there. 2 ways that you can do this. Go ahead and go to your library in the bottom right here. You can see all of my playlists here for my Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. You can go ahead and create a new playlist if you want to and follow the exact same steps that I showed you previously. Or if you want to add videos to your playlist or other people's videos to your playlist, go ahead and click these 3 dots right here. And here's where you can save it to a particular playlist. Again, right here, click where you want to do that, and then determine if you want it public or private. If you want to edit one of your playlists, go ahead and click in that playlist right here, and here's where if you click that pencil icon, you can edit that particular playlist. Again, you can also shuffle these up and sort them as you would like. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips and tricks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.